The cyrpto offers that show up on this site are from organizations from which the college investor gets remuneration. This remuneration might affect how and where items show up on this site, counting, for instance, the request in which they show up. The college investor does exclude all cryptocurrency trades, or all crypto offers accessible in the commercial center. 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is by a long shot the most well-known, and one of the most mind-blowing cryptocurrency trades, since you can contribute straightforwardly with USD. You can at present buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin and 30+ different coins and tokens on the stage. Besides, you can procure revenue on your USDT, and you can acquire token awards by finishing different exercises. Besides, when you open another Coinbase account, you get a $5 BTC reward after you make your most memorable exchange, in the event that you join utilizing our connection. 2. Voyager. Voyager is a famous stage to put resources into crypto, as it was perhaps the earliest public trade. They are application-driven, and offer a without commission exchanging structure. Voyager upholds most significant cryptocurrencies, has strong help and commitment, and pays serious loan fees on resources. Furthermore, when you open a Voyager account, you can procure $25 in BTC in the wake of exchanging $100 in crypto. 3. BlockFi. BlockFi is a cryptocurrency speculation stage that permits you to loan and procure interest on your possessions. Likewise, rather than selling your coins and tokens, you can likewise acquire against your possessions. On the off chance that you're simply hoping to hold your tokens, you can likewise allow them to procure interest for you. Reward offer. Get up to $250 reward when you put aside a $25 installment, and keep up with it for the predefined timeframe. 4. Uphold. Uphold offers basic answer for exchanging numerous resources, open one record, and exchange various resources without making an outing back to cash. On the off chance that you've each exchanged crypto, you'll know a great deal of coins and tokens just exchange specific matches, so you're continuously returning to BTC or ETH. However, on Uphold, you can exchange various resources straightforwardly. 5. Kraken. Kraken is one of the first crypto exchanging stages, and they have a decent choice of coins and tokens to exchange and put resources into. They additionally permit edge exchanging. Be that as it may, it's a genuine trade. And not as simple to use as a portion of the top stages on this rundown. Kraken is one of only a handful of exceptional stages on this rundown that permit you to exchange Doge and other, more unsafe, tokens. 6. eToro. eToro has been around for some time in the UK, and all through Europe, however they are currently permitting merchants in the United States. They offer a tremendous assortment of computerized resources for trade on their foundation, and surprisingly, better, they have a work on exchanging account so you can check it out before you really utilize genuine assets. 7. Bitcoinira. Bitcoinira is somewhat unique in relation to different stages here. Not at all like most trades and wallets, you're essentially trading money, and are liable to paying expenses on your benefits. So, Bitcoinira joins the best of being a crypto wallet and trade, with likewise being an IRA. That implies that your benefits inside the record are tax-exempt or burden conceded. 8. Crypto.com. Crypto.com is one of the biggest and quickest developing crypto trades. It's situated in Hong Kong, however offers a lot of help for US-based clients. At this moment, you can approach more than 90 tokens and coins around the world, and 50 tokens and coins in the event that you're in the United States. Besides, the deal strong rates on their crypto bank accounts. 9. Binance. An extraordinary stage for getting into certain monetary standards, like Cardano or Neo. Not as simple to use as a portion of the top stages on this rundown. However, they really do have one of the most hardy exchanging stages out there. They really do have a good portable application, yet once more, not as simple to utilize, and we've been baffled with it. Attempt Binance here. 10. Hodelnot. Assuming that you're searching for an option in contrast to exchanging cryptocurrencies, look at Hodelnot. Hodelnot is a reserve funds and loaning stage that spotlights on Bitcoin and a few stablecoins. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.